Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-03 steering box top insert for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome back to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be doing part 2-03 steering box top insert for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So open up template MMGS. Okay, so let's do right plane. We want box. We want to do 27 high, 27, and 45 wide. 45, and it's going to be 25 deep. So feature 25 mid plane, and okay, there we go. Now on top of this one, we want to go to normal and create sketch. We want to do another box on top. Yep, in the middle. There we go, and that's going to be 25.5 plus 25.5 should be 51. Beautiful. And that one there will be 15.5 plus 15.5, which is 31. Beautiful. That's all correct. Yes, it is. And it's going to be 6.5 sectors. 6.5. Going up. Yep, it is beautiful. And that's that one done. Now on top again, let me just normal sketch. We want a circle this time. The circle is going to be circular, and that's going to be 19, and that's going to go all the way through. Feature extrude through all and done. Now, just before we go further, let me just do a fillet. One, probably going to be too much. And done. No, actually, it's quite nice. Okay, so that's that piece done. Let's put a color to it. Still grey. That looks nice. There we go. Okay, that is part 2-03. The steering box top insert done. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, subscribe, leave comments. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.